That's setting the bit height so it knows where the end of the bit is at. There comes the spindle. Here comes the entry over. So we're going to make contact. Part of the issue here is that the board isn't totally level or flat. It's probably got a cup in it. And there is a second Louisiana run out by the CNC. I guess I could bring the vacuum over here and clean it up so you can see it better, but there it be. There's the first one. Far improvement over the other day when the spindle wasn't running. It grabbed it here and switched the whole thing to the side. My first mistake was I thought it was a bigger size Louisiana. It's only a 4-inch square, which is fine, but it did indeed throw me a little bit for a loop. And that's the day's completion, so thank you for listening.